Hello and welcome to this guided little light meditation designed to restore and balance your throat chakra, the center of communication. Before we begin, feel free to loosen up this area with a few shoulder and neck rolls, making small and safe movements to get out any kinks, any tension, and when you feel ready, find a safe and comfortable position for this meditation, either sitting up nice and tall or lying down with your spine nice and long. Once you're settled, close your eyes. Take a deep, purifying breath in through the nose, and on the exhale, open the mouth and release the breath with an audible sigh. Again, inhaling slow and deep through the nose. This time, notice the pause, and then open your mouth nice and wide. Don't be scared to make a sound. Release the exhale out through the mouth, feeling the release of tension as your shoulders melt down. Take one more deep breath in through the nose, pausing at the top, then exhaling out through an open mouth with an audible sigh, picturing any blocks in this area being released. And when you're ready, allow your breath to return to its normal pattern, bringing your awareness to the sound of your breath. Noticing the sound of each inhale and each exhale. Not changing anything, just noticing the sound of the flow of your breath in and out of your body. Then bring your attention to how you feel in this moment. Be honest. How are you feeling? Try not to change or criticize the feeling. Notice what your body's telling you. How are you really feeling? Tune into the tone of the voice in your head. If at any point in the meditation you find yourself lost in your own thoughts or distracted, notice how that voice in your head is talking to you. Try to be gentle and gracious with yourself as you bring yourself back to the meditation. In the next inhale, visualize yourself strolling along a lush and clear mountain path under a big, bright blue moon. The sky is blanketed with twinkling stars, and the dazzling full moon above you illuminates everything in your path. You feel completely safe and in harmony with your surroundings. Take it all in. The lovely light of the moon, the peaceful sounds of the mountain at night, a soft night breeze on your skin, the sound of your inhales and exhales as you make your way with integrity along your path. Your path leads to the most exquisite temple carved into the mountainside. It is all lit up inside. Without any hesitation, you step in. Each time you step into this place, it fills you with so much joy and harmony. You hear beautiful music coming from somewhere inside. You follow the sounds to a golden staircase. You take the stairs up one flight. With each step up, you grow more at ease and more trusting, knowing you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Listen to the sounds of your inhales and your exhales with each step you take. You reach the top of the first flight of stairs and the beautiful music grows a little louder. The music is so captivating, it speaks to your soul. You follow the sound to this bright aquamarine door. You open the door and step inside. You feel the vibrations and energy of this song wash over you, purifying you, centering you, resonating with you. It is in pure harmony with your soul. You find yourself in a massive room filled with all sorts of instruments of communication and creativity. There are giant bookcases filled with books, journals, song sheets, a music library filled with records, tapes, next to rows of record players, phonographs, digital music players, music studios filled with musical instruments. There are desks with papers and writing instruments, computers, typewriters, and easels and paints all over the room. Take a few moments to explore this room. Play around with the different forms of creativity and self-expression. Notice what areas you're drawn to. Once again, you notice that enchanting music that called you here growing louder, and you follow it to this beautifully wrapped turquoise box. You open the box and a bright blue mist flows out. You breathe it in and feel it purifying and enlightening you with truth and integrity. The mystical mist makes its way down to your throat chakra, located at the center of your neck, joining with the clear, light blue energy swirling there. If the energy at your throat chakra is too fast, and you're someone that's overly critical of yourself or others with words, is condescending, arrogant, talks too much or doesn't listen, visualize the mist slowing down the swirling energy. If it's too slow, stagnant, or blocked, and you're someone that's excessively shy or secretive, you don't express or speak up for yourself, you don't keep your word, or your creativity or purpose is blocked, visualize the mist speeding up the swirl. Take a few breaths to visualize that bright blue ball of swirling energy in your throat, becoming smooth, steady, open, and balanced. Each inhale making the blue more radiant. Each exhale making the energy more pure. When your throat chakra is balanced, you are a thoughtful, considerate, and skillful communicator, able to listen to others as well as express yourself, your emotions, and your needs clearly, sincerely, and effortlessly. Feeling balanced and purified, visualize and feel your throat chakra open up. You hear your own voice in all its truth, beauty, and authenticity. It is melodic, lyrical, and compelling. On your next breath, in your mind, say to yourself, I hear and speak the truth. And take a few breaths to hear and feel that resonate in your mind, body, and soul. Now say to yourself, I speak up for myself thoughtfully. Take a few breaths to hear and feel that resonate in your mind, body, and soul. Say to yourself, I express myself clearly and effortlessly, and really hear and feel that resonate in you. Now say, my voice is clearly heard. Hear and feel that in your mind, body, and soul. I listen to and acknowledge others. Allow that to resonate in you and your spirit. I am honest about myself. Take a few breaths to really let that sink in and feel into it. I am impeccable and considerate with my words. Hear and feel that. creativity and purpose flow through me and to me. Feel that resounding in you. I trust my voice. Take a few more breaths to hear and feel that resonate in your mind, body, and soul. Feeling confident and ready for this higher level of communication and self-expression, you exit the room and make your way out of the temple, knowing you can always return if you ever need it. Bringing your awareness back to the sound of your breath, the flowing sound as you inhale and exhale. Then expand your awareness out to your physical body. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, taking one more deep breath in through the nose and releasing the exhale out through an open mouth. Once again, ask yourself honestly, how do you feel? Take a moment to listen. And when you're ready, open your eyes. The motivational speaker Tony Robbins said, "The way we communicate with others and with ourselves ultimately determines the quality of our lives." May you go into the rest of your days mindful of your communication, living an exceptional life, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.